to this video today. So today I'll be speaking to you about procrastination, which is such a big word for me. So I am the queen of procrastination, and I know some people go, oh no, you get so much done. I'm like, oh no, you don't see what goes on behind the scenes. It's like really got to force myself sometimes. And when I used to coach for a coach fitness, health and wellness professionals in their business, this would come up so much in in the time that I had with these clients, and I would put it down to perhaps 2 or 3 things as to why you procrastinate. So have a listen, have a watch of these 3 things, and just see if any of them resonate. Or perhaps if they don't, you can journal about it. Sometimes something will come up about journaling, come up in your journaling. So for me, what I found is when I procrastinate, it's usually because I lack motivation. And when I lack motivation, it's because I don't have my goals clear. My goals are not clear. So let's say, for example, you get in your car and you've got no destination and you've got no map. So you get in your car and you're like, oh, I don't really know where I'm going, so I'm just going to sit on the drive until I've got an idea of where I want to go. And it's exactly the same in your business. If you haven't got goals, it's very hard to push yourself to keep moving forward or to get things done. Okay, so that is my first, and like I said, these are things that have resonated, that I found, and it's what I found with those people that are coached in their business. So is no clear goals. Okay, so the lack motivation, no clear goals. The second is there's no action plan to achieve these goals. So it's all good and well saying, I want to buy a £500,000 house, or I want to have 20 new clients, or I want to start this other business. So yes, you might have your goal, but what are your steps that you're going to take? And again, this is me I'm talking to really, because when I'm procrastinating, it's because I don't know what I'm doing the next day. I haven't got any plan. So for you, it's okay, let's take the goals and we need to break them down into yearly actions. And I know it sounds a lot, but it's actually quite fun. I find it quite fun because it's quite exciting. So break it down into yearly tasks or yearly action plans. Then you break it down into monthly, then you break it down into weekly, then you break it down into daily. And, set an afternoon to do this. Make it something fun rather than, oh, it's another task. I said, this will ignite excitement in your body. It will ignite excitement in your heart. So, because what you'll notice is actually your goals are achievable. And then that is going to give you motivation. So that is my second tip about procrastination. So the third one is self-belief, and maybe this should be the first one, maybe it's the most important, but if you honestly don't believe that you can achieve your goals, then obviously you're not going to take action and you're just going to procrastinate and you don't really want to do it, or maybe you don't think you're good enough, or maybe I suppose this could be another tip really, but you are fearful. So I would say, let's say number 3 is that mindset. You don't believe that you can achieve it. You don't think you're good enough. Maybe you feel like you're an imposter or you're fake. Maybe you think you're scared, and I've been there, because unfortunately there are horrible people on the internet trolling around and they have nothing better to do than insult other people and be nasty queens. So it doesn't, you've got to find a way to get over those people. If you think for every 10 people, for every 1,000 people you can help on the internet, you might get 1 troll. And then you just block them and you don't take any note of them. So in terms of the mindset of being and procrastinating, you've got to find a way around that. So what can you do to believe more in yourself? Maybe you need to make that goal a little bit smaller just to start with. Maybe you need to speak to other business owners that have achieved it, and you can get some inspiration from them. I'm not good enough is a huge, huge one, and a lot of people feel like they're not good enough. But if you look at the clients that you've helped and you ask for testimonials, ask for success stories, and even if you've just helped that one person, then you are good enough. So procrastination can be the falling of your business, but if you can overcome procrastination, then you can fly. So I notice in my business, when I haven't got goals, not taking action, the business becomes a little bit stagnant. So just like, and it's fine if I don't want to go anywhere and I don't want to increase my income and I haven't got any plans. It's fine to just keep going, but I get itchy feet. So the minute I set my goals, the minute I break them down, and I have a beautiful diary that I have at home, and on Sunday I work out my action plans for each and every day. So now, Tuesday, I know what I'm doing. Wednesday, I know what I'm doing. So actually, it's not really a case of trying to push myself. It is just like, oh, that day I am actually going to do that because it's down in my diary to do that. So I know the time's there. I've now allocated space for that. And then on Sunday, I sit down and I plan the next week. And then maybe during the week, I will just have a look through, like in the evenings when I do my gratitude journal before I go to bed. Right, what have I got planned tomorrow? While you're sleeping, your brain's already going to start thinking about that. Right, creating videos, the content that I want to create, the blog posts I want to write. And then I wake up in the morning and I'm full of ideas. So I absolutely love it when it all works perfectly together. Get off your backsides, get your goals set, get your action plans, get your daily your tasks set. And these are tasks to achieve your goals, not I need to go and buy milk or clean the studio, or these are goals, daily actionable steps to achieve your goal. So everything you do in your business, is this bringing me closer to my goal? If it's a no, stop doing it. If it's a yes, keep moving forward. So that is my take on procrastination. I hope those tips help you. If you have discovered other reasons why you procrastinate, please let me know, because I might be doing that myself. So it's great that we can share all these little tips with each other. But take care and have a lovely week with your business, with your clients, and with your dream building. Lots of love. Bye.